What?
Hello, I'm CT491 Con, and today I'm going to be biking around my garden on this bike. It's a mountain bike. I don't think I should say what it is, because I'll get done for copyright or something. What? You know, all that rubbish. Right. Oh my God.
C24.
Right. Shut up. Jamie's going to be taking my BMX. Not really.
I'm not taking your BMX.
Alright, then we'll swap.
Fine,
I'm on the BMX, 2 laps. Jamie's on the mountain bike, 2 laps. And then we'll swap.
By the way, just to tell you, you won't see my face.
No.
You'll realise
find out
later.
You'll find out.
You'll find out when we get loads of views.
Yes, when we get loads of views. Right. I'm gonna go first. Right. You get on my bike?
Hey,
I'm going first. Anyway. Jesus Christ, I haven't rode on this one for ages. Use my mountain bike.
I'm not you.
Should we swap?
No, we shouldn't swap.
Because I don't often go on this. I'm always on my mountain bike.
I don't care.
Jesus Christ! Ah! This big.
She'll be coming round.
Oh, I'm not. You got across the line on a bike. I'm on. Jesus. It's too late. What are you doing? And again. You're not quite. What the hell?
Stop it.
It's like I won that.
Stop that.
Right.
Stop
Well, we